Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christina, and in today's video I just have a fun little unboxing for you guys. I have been so excited to share these with you guys because I want to use them, but I needed to share them with you first. So I want to thank Back to the Roots for sending me these awesome kids gardening kits. Now, if you've been following me at least since last springtime, it was the first time we did a raised bed. We started seeds inside. We did a gardening unit from Campfire Curriculums, and we're really trying to get better at gardening. And it's been one of our goals for a while and continues to be one of our goals this year and one of our actual focuses for homeschooling. So these are obviously not just for homeschoolers. This is for any family that wants to dip their toes into gardening or just make gardening more fun or kid friendly or just switch it up a little bit. But we are actually using it as part of our homeschooling, part of our studies. So it's a great way to incorporate some nature study, some gardening, some science, some natural science into your homeschool as well. So I did pull these out of the big box that they came in because I have just so many boxes in my house right now. We are doing a remodel of upstairs, so the amount of things in boxes is just overwhelming. So I did take them out of the big box, but I have two boxes that I want to unbox with you. The first one is the Kids Gardening 16-piece toolkit. Discover the magic of gardening, everything included to start growing from seed to smile. So this is what comes in here. It includes 2 garden pots, a watering can, hand rake, hand shovel, 2 sticker pages, 2 bamboo plant tags, discovery booklet, organic tomato seeds, organic watermelon seeds, 2 expandable soil pucks, and 2 eco-friendly starter pots. So I am going to open this up and show you everything that is inside of here. So Back to the Roots has so many different gardening kits. There were so many things to choose from. So there are smaller and bigger things. You definitely have to check them out. I could have gotten a billion things from them. So there's the little discovery booklet. It gives you the steps, step by step, how to use it. There are also lessons. You can download the free STEM curriculum that they have available. There is a QR code that you can scan. So lots in this little booklet. And then this is what it looks like when you open up the box. So they're even labeled in here. You have your seeds. So USA grown organic seed packets. You have both your red cherry tomatoes and your watermelon seeds, sugar baby watermelon seeds. So I'm actually just going to pop those back in there. These are adorable. You have your little kid-sized rake and little kid-sized shovel. It says tools sustainably made in Michigan using upcycled plastic, which makes me so happy because if you know me, I don't love plastic. I'm not a plastic-free home by any means, but I try to stick to as little plastic as possible. So it makes me super happy to know that they use upcycled plastic. So thankful for that. So here's your little biodegradable seed starter pots. So you seasoned gardeners, don't make fun of me because I'm clearly a novice. This is really funny because I actually have a big box of these. These are the exact markers that I used last year. So I'm actually really excited that these will kind of go with what I already have. And then you have this little, is this the watering can? Okay. Be fair, this didn't exactly look like a watering can, maybe. Anyways, your little soil pucks are in there. Little stickers, which I think are to decorate these little pots. So that's going to be a really exciting process. I love how this is super kid friendly, that my littles can get involved in this. This says for ages 5 and up, but I will be doing this also with my 2 and 3-year-olds and just letting them be a part of the process because I want my whole family to garden together. It's a goal that I have. So this really came right in time. When they reached out to me, I was so excited because this is right on time, something I actually wanted to do. All right, so that is the 16-piece toolkit. And then I have one other little thing that I want to share with you that they sent me. And this is a Terrarium Kids Grow Kit. Everything included, just add water. So let's see what this looks like when you open it up. I love that they come with these little handles. I just think it's super cute. So let's see. This also comes with a little discovery booklet with all, oh, I think that was stickers, with all of your instructions and activities. There looks like there's a little way to measure. Love this. I love that there's learning included, that you could do as much or as little as you want. You can add these into maybe some gardening unit studies that you're doing. Right now, the Spring Mega Bundle is going on. If you are not familiar with that, I will link it down below. I did put up a video showing my contribution to the Mega Bundle that this is going to go perfect with, because it is based around the book, It Will Be Okay, Trusting God Through Fear and Chains, and it's all about a seed that goes into the ground and doesn't understand why the farmer would put them in this dark and messy place, and they're all alone and it doesn't make sense. And it's about trusting God through those times in our lives. So I plan to do this with my kids this week as a way to tie in with that unit, which I'll be doing, but there are also tons of other nature study resources in that Spring Nature Schooling Mega Bundle. It is an incredible deal, so I will link that down below. If you're seeing this after April 14th, that Mega Bundle will not be available, but you will be able to find my units on Etsy, and my Etsy is always linked in the description box as well. So anyways, this one also comes with cute little stickers. Okay, so I don't really want to mess with this too much because I don't want dirt on me, but it looks like you have some colored sands and you have microgreen seeds. You see that little seed packet? Microgreen seeds, and then you have your little soil puck in this little glass jar. So yeah, I'm so excited to jump into these. My kids love hands-on activities. I've really been trying to move away, like the less textbook learning, the better for me, and more like living books and hands-on experiences. So super pumped. Thank you so much, Back to the Roots, for sending us these awesome gardening kits. But you guys, I will link Back to the Roots down below. I cannot forget to tell you though that right now, using my link until the 18th of April, you can get 30% off your purchase. Typically the discount is only 20%, but right now through the 18th, you can get 30% off using my link down below. So I will link them. Go check them out. If you are like me and you are not like a seasoned gardener and you don't know where to start, definitely check these out. Or if you're looking for a specific thing or a gift, these would make a great gift. Check them out. If you are new here, introduce yourself down in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried Back to the Roots before, if you think you'll try them. If you're not already following me over on Instagram, be sure to follow me there at rooted_homelife, because I'll be sharing when we actually use these and our progress. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, I would love if you would stick around and subscribe. I share all different kinds of content here on my channel. Learning resources, curriculum, homeschooling, faith, motherhood, big family life, all the things. So I'd love if you would stick around for any of that. I hope to see you soon in one of my next videos. And until next time, stay rooted.
You have to.